from class 11th are delighted to welcome you all to the fresh month of Gurukul's Voice Journey.
As we step into August, a month of great abundance and joy, symbolizing the freedom of the nation, spiritual growth, and siblings' love that comes with it. So, get comfortable and be ready to be inspired by the amazing news and accomplishments of our school.
Gurukul family is beaming with pride as we are thrilled to announce that three of our esteemed educators, Mrs. Shilpa Bhatia, Ms. Sonam Khurana and Ms. Priyanka Rawat, have been honored by the prestigious Shiksha Samman Award by Kumaon Commissioner IAS Deepak Rawat ji, hosted by Amar Ujala in Rudurga. The management, principal and staff members extended their heartfelt gratitude and warmest congratulations for their remarkable achievement.
Congratulations and celebrations when I tell everyone that you're in love with me. Congratulations and jubilation.
Every weekend, our school comes alive with the spirit of competition among students, providing them a great platform to showcase their personality, talents in different fields. Our young artists from class 1st to 3rd immersed themselves in bookmark making competition. With their imagination and skill, they crafted beautiful bookmarks that showcase their vibrant love towards the nation. Students from class 4th and 5th unleashed their creativity and patriotism in my creation with tricolor making competition on the theme Mera Bharat Mahan.
Students from class 6 to 8 showcased the unity in diversity in the collage making competition on the theme Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat. With vibrant colors and thoughtful designs, they beautifully depicted the essence of unity and diversity that makes our nation truly great.
Our pre-primary wings marked the green color day with a vibrant teach party on 10th of August. To make this day more memorable and auspicious, our teachers crafted beautiful Gaura Koriji idols from mud and shared valuable lessons and even applied mehndi on tiny hands of students.
We are excited to introduce CBSE Shiksha Saptah in school, featuring innovative teaching methods with creative teaching learning materials. These engaging tools make learning both enjoyable, impactful and effective. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to CBSE for initiating Shiksha Saptah, an engaging platform that empowers our future leaders and make learning an exciting adventure of exploration and development.
On 12th of August, our school had organized a solemn oath-taking ceremony as a part of Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan led by Mr. D.S. Brist, in charge of Azad Nagar Chowki. During the assembly, students, teachers, staff members collectively pledged to contribute to a drug-free nation, reaffirming their contribution to make a healthy and a safer community.
मैं प्रतिज्ञा करता हूँ कि अपने देश को नशा मुक्त कराने के लिए अपनी क्षमता के अनुसार हर संभव प्रयास करूंगा। जय हिंद।
To enhance creativity and innovation, the school organized a bulletin board competition on 12th of August. The event exceeded our expectations and showcasing exceptional artistry and teamwork among our students. The theme Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat sparked the imagination, leading to outstanding collaborative displays that demonstrated the talent and skills of the students.
School celebrated the 78th Independence Day with a great enthusiasm and patriotism. The festivities commenced the day with a solemn flag hosting ceremony by the chairman, Mr. Dinesh Bhatia ji, followed by the national anthem. With a pride salute to the national flag, our NCC cadets displayed their unwavering dedication towards the nation by embodying the spirit of patriotism and service.
diverse range of performances, including the investiture ceremony of the parliament members. The newly appointed leaders pledged to uphold their duties and responsibilities with dedication and were presented with badges and sachets by the chairman sir, manager sir and administrator ma'am.
I Shivam Singh, head boy of Gurukul School,
I, Amandeep Kaur, head girl of Gurukul School,
upholding the motto determination, devotion and discipline, pledges before God in the presence of all present here to abide by all the rules and regulations of the school and duties entrusted upon us. ईश्वर आप हमें सद्बुद्धि दें.
On the same day, students from class nursery to 3rd showcased their patriotism towards the nation through a fancy dress competition. They dressed up like a legendary freedom fighters such as Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Chandrasekhar Azad, Rani Lakshmibai and many more.
Our young learners of the pre-primary wing embarked on a creative journey to express their love for the nation through the Tiranga activity. With tiny hands and big hearts, they showcased their patriotism by leaving their mark with handprints on a sheet, decorating the Tiranga with paper cutouts and adding tricolor dots to the national flag. Their innocent creativity and enthusiasm made this Har Ghar Tiranga campaign a memorable celebration.
Primary wing students from class nursery to 3rd came together to honor the special connection between siblings on the occasion of Raksha Bandhan. They presented a heartfelt assembly signifying the importance of cherished relationships between the siblings.
बहना ने भाई की कलाई से, बहना ने भाई की कलाई से प्यार बांधा है, प्यार के दो तार से संसार बांधा है, रेशम की डोरी से, रेशम की डोरी से, रेशम की.
8th of August, students embarked on a fun-filled journey participating in a series of innovative competitions on the occasion of Raksha Bandhan. From crafting greeting cards to designing vibrant Rakhi threads and creating symbolic sibling bond bands, students showcased their creativity and talent.
Nurturing young minds today creates a better tomorrow. Tiny tots from class nursery pearls and LKG petters actively participated in a valuable activity about stranger danger awareness. By instilling the importance of saying no to strangers, our teachers foster essential life skills and self-awareness in the students.
And passed them for life. Students of class UKG, Pluto and Pinnacle experienced a delightful session on magic words, learning the significance of sorry, please, thank you, welcome and excuse me. This engaging activity aimed to nurture essential values and communication skills in our young minds.
When you get something, when you get something, what will you think? What will you think? I will say thank you. I will say thank you. That's what I say.
22nd of August, students of class 11th got benefits from an insightful seminar conducted by 3 sub-inspectors, Mr. Narendra Singh, Mr. Shamlal and Mr. Pushkar Singh. The session aimed to educate our students with the legal amendments with the focus on the significant introduction of BNS, Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, as a replacement of IPC.
School management appreciated the efforts of the police administration in organizing this enlightening session, which has equipped our students with a better understanding of law and its present developments.
उस अपराध को नियंत्रण करने के लिए 3 बड़े कानून हैं, जो क्या क्या है, आईपीसी, सीआरपीसी और आईए यानी एविडेंस एक्ट। तो ये 3 बड़े कानून हैं जो आने वाले जो समय में, जो अभी हमारा जो समय निकल चुका है, उसमें ये चेंज किया गया है। ये 3 बड़े कानून। संविधान में कानून जो बनाया गया है, पहले तो उसमें है एक अपराध क्या है, इसको समझना बहुत जरूरी है।
On 24th of August, our both primary and senior wings came together to celebrate the auspicious occasion of Shri Krishna Janmashtami. The assembly was a vibrant spectacle, which includes several dance performances, group singing that mesmerized the audience, beautifully capturing the divine story of Radha Krishna. The assembly was concluded with our respected manager sir offering heartfelt wishes to all on the occasion of Janmashtami, filling the atmosphere with warmth and joy.
Krishna Govinda, Shri Krishna Govinda, Hare Murare, He Nath Narayana Vasudeva, He Nath Narayana Vasudeva, Krishna Govinda,
Additionally, students from class nursery to second added a splash of colors and joy to the Janmashtami celebration with fancy dress competition by dressing up as Radha, Krishna, Sudama and Yashodama. Their vibrant costumes, bright smiles and outstanding performances made this celebration truly unforgettable.
जो है अलबेला मद नैनो वाला, जिसकी दीवानी ब्रिज की हर बाला, वो किसना है, वो किसना है।
कान्हा बरसाने में आए जइयो, बुलाए गई राधा प्यारी, कान्हा बरसाने में आए।
On the same day, students from class 3rd to 9th and 11th participated in a series of competitions, demonstrating their creativity, artistic skills and spiritual passion. Students from class 3rd to 5th shows their imagination in flute decoration competition, while students from class 6 to 8 sparkled their creativity in mukut decoration competition, while students from class 9th and 11th expressed their spiritual passion in Gita Shlok, Quran Ayat and Gurbani recitation.
हाथी घोड़ा पाल की जय कन्हैया लाल की. On 25th of August, a bhajan sandhya was organized in the courtyard of Gurukul to commemorate the auspicious occasion of Shri Krishna Janmashtami and the birth anniversary of Gurukul Adish Ji. The event was filled with heartfelt bhajans and joyful dances, making the atmosphere of pure devotion and spiritual fervor. The celebrations were further enhanced by the distribution of prasad, making the occasion truly unforgettable.
Overjoyed to share that our students' Bhaktimay Prastuti on the occasion of Shri Krishna Janmashtami at Ramlila Manchkicha received thunderous applause. The audience was so captivated by their performance that they had requested to repeat the program not once but twice. We are bursting with pride and gratitude that our students' hard work and devotion towards Lord Krishna deeply resonated with the audience.
अपना ब्रीफकेस खोला, अपना आला निकाला, एक सिरा अपने कान पे लगाया और दूसरा सिरा कन्हैया के सीने पे रख दिया। और क्या हुआ? जो हुस्न से लगाया, पसीना जम कर आया, उसने कई बार लगाया और जाकर चकराया।
To explore the frontiers of science, the school hosted a district-level science seminar competition under the guidance of State Educational Research and Training Council Uttarakhand. Mr. Premchand, District Science Coordinator, welcomed the participants and outlined the seminar goals, marking the beginning of the district-level science seminar competition.
The event featured a captivating discussion on AI led by Mr. Sabir Alam, Block Education Officer, Dr. Chaman Bhatia, the Director of School, and the program organizers shared valuable information on AI applications, highlighting their significance in today's era.
On the occasion of National Sports Day, the school organized an exhilarating Kabaddi tournament for classes 10 and 12. In class 10, Gurukul Paltans emerged victorious against Gurukul Panthers, and in class 12, Gurukul Lions triumphed over Gurukul Tigers. The school management congratulated the winning teams on their thrilling victories.
Get ready to move and groove with Gurukul Zumba. School is thrilled to organize this innovative program, a vibrant initiative that fuses music, movement, fun and joy to make physical education more accessible and engaging for students.
Thank you for joining us for the August highlights.
Stay tuned for more captivating updates as the new host will take over you the next month to bring you the September highlights.
Until then, keep smiling and stay connected with us.